coming up real quick. Controls clear and free, gas on, doors locked, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll wait a second, let them get figured out in the back, and then I'll make a radio call.
Okay, the high wing at the departure end at Lakeland 27 left. What's your call sign?
Yeah, Lakeland Tower, experimental 750 Yankee November, flight at 3, and be northbound.
Experimental 750 Yankee November, flight Lakeland Tower, runway 27 left, turn right on course, clear for takeoff.
Roger that, 750 Yankee November, clear, flight at 3.
And the high wing at the departure end of the runway, check your transponder, 1200, please.
Thank you. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Can I just stay with you?
Tango Delta, you have traffic at 3 o'clock in a mile northbound at 2000.
We got him off our right wing, 4 Tango Delta. Lakeland Tower, Coast Guard 6031's final approach for RNAV, runway 27.
Coast Guard 6031, Lakeland.
Okay, check everything here, temperatures look good.
7 left, third option, 6031.
And how many approaches today?
Kenny's hard to hear, isn't he?
Yeah.
9393 Bravo at 27, ready for departure.
9393 Bravo, Lakeland Tower, flight at 3 ahead, it's going to be northbound. What's your directional flight?
Southbound for 93 Bravo.
93 Bravo, keep them in sight, turn left on course, 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Cleared to go, we'll keep them in sight. 93 Bravo.
Okay, just departed Lakeland, 2 northwest, climbing out at 2,800, reset your transponder, squawk 1200, please.
Lakeland Tower, Tango 1265 Hotel, about 10 miles to the east for Tango, full stop.
Tango 1265 Hotel, Lakeland Tower, straight in runway 27 left, report 5 out.
Straight in, 27 left, report 5 out, 65 Hotel. Lakeland Tower, November 7, Charlie Mike, holding short, 27 left.
Number 7, Charlie Mike, Lakeland Tower, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff, safe directional flight.
Oh yeah, forgot that, northbound,